Hello again. In this short video, I will show you how to download your files when a job is complete. And I'll also show you how you can leave feedback to your retouchers through the website so that they can get started on any corrections or revisions that you might need on a job. Okay, so you're going to get your email. You'll get an email, and in the email there's a button. You click the button, and it's going to take you to a Dropbox folder. You will land in a folder, and you're going to see several folders. Well, typically you'll only see one. In the event that we do multiple deliveries on a given order, then you will see more than one folder. So it's important that you understand what you're looking at. So the folder names have the year, the date, and the time that that delivery was made. Okay, so in this particular order, there was just one delivery. You click on the folder, and typically you'll just have your images sitting in that folder. Sometimes you'll have other folders depending on any custom requirements that we might have set up with you. So you'll just keep clicking until you get to your images. And typically you simply just select all your photos, click here and download, and Dropbox will create a zip file and just put all the files, download them to your downloads folder. What I'd like to show you though is an easy and convenient way to leave comments and mark up a file in the event that something wasn't done to your satisfaction. So I'm going to just pull up a photo, and what I do, and this is a tool that I use. It's a screenshot tool. It's called Awesome Screenshot. It runs in Chrome, and you can get it on the Google Marketplace. But it's a really convenient tool, and if you wanted to leave some feedback, you could create a screenshot using this tool and then just mark up the image. And I'll show you how we do it. So you click here for Awesome Screenshot, and typically I just say visible part, and this tool just builds a little image, and then I have all these tools to just leave comments, right? So typically, you'll take the arrow and you'll point at something, and then you'll leave some feedback here. Maybe reduce shadow. And I'm not saying that this is something that's really required. This is just for the example that I'm using now. And then using this tool, you can just say done, and then download a PDF file to your computer. And you can just call it feedback for order number, whatever it is, or you don't even have to be that specific. Just say feedback for order, save it to your desktop, and then take that PDF and put it somewhere in the cloud. It could be Dropbox, it could be Google Drive, wherever you want to put it. The point is you just need to get a URL so you can share the file with us. And so what I would do here is I would just go to my Finder and just grab that file, and I would just go to Picsera, go to the order, and I would paste it, and then I would just grab the URL from Dropbox. So right click, just say copy Dropbox link. And I personally like to use Dropbox. I think it's really simple. And then I'd go into the website, and I would just leave comments. So getting back to here, I go to Picsera and I find my order. And I go to the completed tab to find my order. And let's just say this is the order that, that I'm trying to leave feedback on. I just come here and I just say add note, please reduce some shadow. Not even do that, just say please refer to the markup. Leave the URL and then just say add. And when I do that, this automatically goes to the retoucher that was assigned to the job, and they will get started as soon as they see the ticket come in to address the issue. And it's really that simple. That's all you need to do. That's how you leave feedback. Thanks so much.